Hey guys, it's your girl naturallynata here, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do another FINEApple pineapple, how to fake a pineapple natural hairstyle. This is the part 2. I will link the first video that I did right above right here. I wanted to film a part 2 of a different texture of pineapple drawstring ponytail because the first video was quite popular on my YouTube channel for me, and the snippet that I made for Instagram was very popular. It got about 30,000 views on 2 different pages, on my own personal Instagram page and also on another. So I figured this is a very popular type of hairstyle because it's so affordable, it's so easy, and it's very cute. So let's hop into it. So I have a crooked part in the back of my head. Please excuse that. I'm horrible at parting my hair, and my hair is extremely thick, so I got it as straight as possible. But you get the point. Make a straight part in the back of your head, and then I use some Garnier Fructis hydrating buttercream to moisturize my hair, and also my favorite edge control right now, which is the pink manga edge control, which I reviewed. I'll link that above right here also. And I'm going to use that to really smooth down my hair. And now after I put it in a ponytail, I'm just going to braid that all the way down. I wanted to do an accent braid in the back of my hair to make this look, you know, just a bit different instead of just putting your hair up in a bun at the top of your head and then attaching a ponytail. I just wanted to do something a little bit different. So that's what that looks like right here. Now I'm making another part. I'm going to start basically at a diagonal and just pull that apart so I can see what I'm doing, and I'm just going to make that part from ear to ear. Now that I have the part as straight as I could get it, you really want to get it straight on the sides, but if it's a bit crooked in the middle, that's okay. Just get it as straight as you can get it. It's still gonna look cute regardless. So I put the Garnier Fructis buttercream and then followed it up with the pink manga edge control once again. And I'm just brushing that all in, and I'm gonna put this in a ponytail also. And then pull it tight, and once again, I'm just going to, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. Like, putting my hair in a ponytail is getting harder and harder. The thickness is real with my natural hair. Then I'm just taking another hair tie and attaching that braid to this ponytail that's in the middle, so it'll be going straight up the middle of the back of my head. Then I'm just going to wet the hair so it's nice and moisturized. It does tend to get dry on me. Put some more buttercream on it, brush it through, and then I'm just going to twist this down and wrap it into a bun. So as you can see, I have put the top portion of my hair into a ponytail, twisted it down, and now I'm just going to attach this twist to the middle bun. And that is what it's looking like right here, and I'm just going to bobby pin that in place. So basically making like a 3-section type of mohawk style going down the middle of my head. And then we're going to attach the drawstring ponytail to that middle section. So this is the drawstring ponytail that I'm using today. It's by SENSATIONNEL. It's their Curls, Kinks, and Co. Showstopper, and it's in the color 1B. This is what it looks like right here. As you can see, the curls are beautiful. But as you can see, you open it up and it has the drawstring, and it also has 2 clips. And it also has a front clip where you can clip the bangs to your forehead so they hang low on your face. So the curls hang on your face, basically. So what I'm doing is just stretching this out and covering the middle portion of my hair. I will say this pineapple drawstring ponytail is extremely small, and it's probably because I had a whole bunch of hair on the middle portion of my hair, but it just seemed a bit smaller than the first one that I used. So it was a bit more difficult to get it to cover my hair. It didn't expand as much, it seems, as the first one that I used. I do like the first one better, and I actually like the texture of the first one better, but I do like this one. The curls are really, really pretty, and I love how they hang on your face, and it's pretty long, so I do like that. So I just attached that bang part to the front part of my head, and this is what it's looking like. And now I'm just going to take that drawstring and pull it tight, and I'm going to secure it on the side of my head with a bobby pin so it's not hanging down, and just make sure the back part of my hair is concealed and all you can see is that braid going up the middle of the back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. How easy was that? I really hope you guys enjoyed this style and also this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. This is just something that you can do that's a bit more, intricate than just putting your hair in a bun on top of your head and then attaching the instant pony, but you could do it either way. This instant pony from SENSATIONNEL is from my favorite online beauty supply, which is SAMSBEAUTY.com. If you are interested in it, please do not forget to check the description box below, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye-bye.